Let's talk about the latest launched INFINIX smartphone HOT 54G with premium slim design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole, dynamic bar display, resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, approximately 90.60% screen-to-body ratio. Approximately 396 ppi pixel density, 800 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with stay informed with always-on display, important information is always at hand without the need for unlocking. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.6, along with 2 megapixel depth camera, and AI camera with dual LED flash. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole front camera with aperture 2.0 and LED flash, video recording maximum 2K at 30 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 14.5 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G106 nanometer chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 6 GB, 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.88 by 75.63 by 7.70 mm, and it weights around 187 grams, and the color options, sleek black, sage green, titanium gray colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With face unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, splash-proof support, INFINIX AI features, AI eraser, AI cutting, AI wallpaper, leave the work to artificial intelligence, voice capture with AI, Folix always ready, your assistant for music, calls, and travel always ready to help, FM radio support, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The INFINIX HOT 54G has been expected priced in Pakistan for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 33,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 37,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 6 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 39,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 43,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this INFINIX HOT 54G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.